This 5-minute solution will show you how to change email address on Roblox without adding a new email. So if you're wondering how you can change or update your Roblox account email address, follow these simple steps. In order to change your Roblox email address without a new email, you can use a random or temporary email address. To do that, open your browser and search for 10-minute email, and here you will get lots of free websites to collect temporary email address. So I'm going to opening this first website, and you will get a temporary email address here. So tap on the email to copy. Once you copy it, go to your Roblox app, tap on this three dot at the bottom right, settings, account info, edit email address, enter here the temporary email address and tap on change email. Enter here your Roblox account password to confirm. As you can see, an email has been sent for verification. Now go to the temporary email provider website, and here you will get the Roblox verification code. Open the mail and tap on verify email. Once you verified the email, now go to your Roblox again, tap on OK. And as you can see, I've successfully changed my email address without adding my new email. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.